Welcome to Speed Zone. Today we're diving into the world of Scandinavian luxury and cutting-edge engineering with the all-new 2026 Volvo Motorhome. Known for their minimalist design, world-class safety, and forward-thinking technology, Volvo has taken a bold leap into the future of mobile living, and the result is nothing short of extraordinary. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is a perfect blend of futuristic aesthetics and practical design. Volvo has retained its signature clean Scandinavian lines, but this time wrapped them around a much larger, more commanding frame. The front fascia is dominated by Volvo's updated grille, now sleeker and more refined, framed by the brand's signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights that now incorporate adaptive matrix technology. The entire body has been aerodynamically sculpted to reduce drag, improving both efficiency and stability on the highway. The side profile is striking, with a long wheelbase, flush-mounted windows, and integrated solar panels on the roof that seamlessly blend into the silhouette. High-strength aluminum and recycled composite materials have been used extensively throughout the frame to reduce weight without compromising structural integrity. A motorized awning extends with a single touch, while hidden storage compartments and retractable side steps highlight Volvo's commitment to clean utility and elegance. The rear features a full-width LED light bar, a rear-view camera system, and a power lift tailgate that provides access to a multifunctional storage bay. Step inside, and the story only gets better. Volvo has brought its Scandinavian living concept to life within the motorhome's interior. It's calm, it's warm, and it's incredibly refined. The lounge area features modular furniture finished in premium sustainable materials like responsibly sourced wood, vegan leather, and wool blend fabrics. A panoramic skylight runs along the center of the roof, flooding the cabin with natural light and giving the entire space a bright, airy feel. The cockpit is a tech lover's dream. A fully digital driver display is paired with a large central touchscreen, powered by Volvo's latest infotainment system co-developed with Google. Voice control, real-time navigation, smart climate zones, and connected appliances can all be managed seamlessly from this interface. The kitchen is compact, yet fully equipped with induction cooking, a smart refrigerator, and water-saving fixtures. A separate sleeping area features a memory foam queen bed, ambient lighting, and noise-canceling wall panels for a restful night's sleep. The bathroom is equally modern, with a walk-in shower, composting toilet, and intelligent water recycling system. Now when it comes to performance, this motorhome is anything but sluggish. Powered by Volvo's latest hybrid electric drivetrain, it combines a turbocharged petrol engine with a dual electric motor setup. The result is a surprisingly nimble motorhome with a combined output of over 400 horsepower and a smooth torque delivery that makes highway cruising effortless. The all-wheel drive system provides excellent grip even in slippery conditions, while air suspension ensures a smooth ride over rough terrain. The battery-only range is impressive as well, with around 120 kilometers of pure electric drive, perfect for silent overnight camps or city navigation. Regenerative braking, advanced thermal management, and solar panel charging all contribute to extending the hybrid system's efficiency. Volvo also offers optional Level 2 autonomous driving features, making long journeys safer and more relaxing. Volvo's engineers have also gone the extra mile in safety, integrating lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, pedestrian and cyclist detection, and an emergency autonomous stop function. It's one of the most technologically advanced and safest motorhomes on the road today. In short, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle revolution. It brings together luxury, sustainability, innovation, and safety into one beautifully crafted machine. For those who dream of traveling in comfort without compromising on style or conscience, this motorhome sets a whole new standard. Stay tuned to Speed Zone for more groundbreaking automotive content. Asterisk.